Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the mood to finally declutter my closet. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube doing this. It just seems like the thing to do while you're on quarantine. Just get rid of all the old stuff that you have lingering around. So yeah, I honestly have some tops from high school and stuff, and I don't know why I still have them when I don't even wear them. This is basically what we're working with. I can guarantee you I probably only wear like a few pieces out of here. So I think I'm gonna start off by taking out all of the stuff out of my closet, throw it onto my bed, pick out what I want to keep and what I want to donate and throw out and whatever. And yeah. Keep. Blazer, I love this. Keep. This was one of my favorite dresses back in the day. Am I gonna wear it again? It is a nice dress. This will be going in the I'm going to decide later pile. We're gonna keep. Donate. Alright, that took forever, so now I sorted out my clothes. My donate pile isn't as big as my keep pile, but I do think we made some sort of progress, because look, that's my donate pile, but don't judge me, that's my keep pile. I'll go through this a second time and see if I actually want to keep any of those items, and then these can go back into my closet. So these are all the items that I'm gonna end up keeping. My stuffed animals are still up there. And then this side is just completely empty. I just kept a couple of pair of pants. Alright, so it's currently the next day. I put away all the clothes that I want to keep into my closet last night. I didn't end up donating as many items as I wanted to, but that's okay. I think I'm giving away about 64 items, so it's a good first start. I'm gonna make this into a two-part video. I actually placed an order for those PAX units to come in from Alexciiya, and yeah, I just thought I should do a video on completely transforming my closet. So stay tuned for that. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you again in my next video.